Hey everyone, welcome to Swift in 60. Today we're talking about classes, one of the core building blocks for object-oriented programming in Swift. In Swift, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It lets us define properties, methods, and use instances to create reusable code. Let's start with an example. Here we have a dog class with properties and a method. Here, dog has properties name and age, and an initializer to set them up, as well as a bark method. To use a class, we create an instance. Here, we use let to create an instance called myDog and call bark to see the output. One big feature of classes is inheritance. We can create a poodle class that inherits from dog and add extra features. Here, poodle inherits from dog and adds a show method. Now, fancy dog can both bark and show. Recap time. Classes let us define properties, methods, and use inheritance to share functionality. And that's it for classes. Thanks for watching Swift in 60. Remember, dream big, code bigger, and we'll see you next time.